Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Yoga with Neha. In this video we will learn how to do a elbow stand. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, come into elbow plank and hold it for 30 seconds. Now come into dolphin plank and hold it for 30 seconds. For back stretching, come into cobra pose and hold it for 30 seconds. The second back stretch is camel pose. Let's hold it for 30 seconds. Hold low lunge for 20 seconds to stretch your right leg. Repeat the same thing with your left leg. Come into tabletop position and kick with your right leg for 10 seconds. Now kick with your left leg for 10 seconds. Come closer to a wall in dolphin plank and walk up and down for 20 seconds. After walking on the wall, now hold it for 30 seconds. After practicing all those exercises, now come into dolphin plank. Walk closer to your elbows, lift your right leg, then lift your left leg and hold the elbow stand. After mastering your elbow stand, you can try different variations of elbow stand as shown by me. That's all for today's video, guys. Must practice all these stretching exercises consistently to get your elbow stand fast. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.